After shutdown and power off, use needle nose pliers or scissors to cut the lines above the two profiling knives. Loosen the screw with Phillips screwdriver after cutting. Be careful to hold the pressing knife when screwing. Then remove the baffle. Switch from Phillips screwdriver to slotted screwdriver. Then pry out the old heater. Replace new one after prying. Take out the new heater element. Then set aside 10 centimeters of wire length. Use scissors or diagonal pliers to cut the remaining wire. Use wire strippers or diagonal pliers to peel off the wire sheath. Be careful not to cut the line, just leak out the copper wire inside. Then strip the wires above. Put the heat sink into the knife after finishing. Twist the lines 1 to 1, wrap it with electrical tape after winding. Be careful not to leak the copper wire after wrapping. Finally, move the shutter back to block the heating screw, securing the blank with a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure it will not be moved until the bracket is fixed.